Animals can't tell us when they're in pain, but the right nurse can make all the difference, providing care, comfort, and compassion when it matters most. Veterinary nursing is one of the most rewarding careers you can choose, but to truly excel, you need the knowledge, skills, and confidence to deliver outstanding animal care. Introducing Veterinary Nursing Training, a comprehensive online course built for aspiring and practicing veterinary nurses ready to take their expertise further. From animal anatomy and patient care to surgical support, pharmacology, and clinical procedures, this nationally recognized course covers everything you need, studied entirely at your own pace. Learn from veterinary experts. Gain a qualification that opens doors to practices, animal hospitals, and specialist care roles across the UK. Your career in veterinary nursing starts here. Enroll today and give animals the care they deserve.